The Defence Acquisition Council has approved procurements worth 8,722 crore rupees, which includes the procurement of 106 HTT-40 basic trainers for 7,600 crores, out of which 70 trainers will be initially procured from Hindustan Aeronautics, and the rest 36 trainers after the HTT-40 fleet becomes operational in the Indian Air Force. The Defence Acquisition Council has also approved the procurement of an upgraded version of the 76mm Super Rapid Gun Mount for naval ships to perform against fast maneuvering targets, and these will be manufactured by Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. The Defence Acquisition Council has also approved the procurement of 125mm armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot ammunition for the Indian Army, and these will have an indigenous content of 70%. The decision have also been taken to fast-track the project to locally produce AK-203 rifles, the upgrade of 90 Heron drones to an armed variant with advanced reconnaissance capabilities, while 6 Predator B drones will be procured under emergency purchase from the US. Bharat Dynamics Limited has started the creation of new infrastructure to enhance manufacturing of the Astra air-to-air systems and the Akash air defense systems. The Defence Ministry had recently cleared the acquisition of 200 Astra systems for Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force and 48 systems for MiG-29K of the Indian Navy. The design and development of a new 1,000 km range cruise system was also cleared last month, and they will also be produced at this facility. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems conducted a simulated flight test of the Python-5 close combat system on board the Tejas light combat aircraft, in order to identify and fix the vibration caused during captive flights, which was caused due to big control surfaces in the front section of the Python-5. Some changes to the pylons and the positioning of the Python-5 system has been made, and the Israeli close combat system will be tested from the Tejas aircraft in the coming months. The Ordnance factory has launched a 12.7mm stabilized remote-controlled gun which features automatic target tracking capacity, and the Ordnance factory has also created a dedicated testing and assembly facility. It is designed for marine applications with transfer of technology from Israel that will be mounted on ships and patrol vessels, and the indigenous manufacturing will save around 167 crore rupees. The Ordnance factory had launched a new extreme weather clothing system yesterday, in which the Indo-Tibetan Border Police was the trial partner during the developmental stage. The 4.5 kg new extreme weather clothing system will provide protection at low temperatures of -50 degrees Celsius, and is fully functional at an altitude of 18,000 feet and wind velocity of 40 km per hour. After the import ban of 101 defense items, major companies of information technology sector like Wipro and TCS are now planning to enter the defense sector, and can develop artificial intelligence-based systems, swarm UAVs, cyber technology and quantum computing. This new development also comes after the recent push to increase public-private sector partnership in the defense sector. The Chinese Navy is not happy with the performance of its first aircraft carrier that was bought from Ukraine, and China can transfer the carrier to Pakistan by 2030, which will result in 2 hostile aircraft carriers permanently operating in the Indian Ocean region, due to which the Indian strategy is to have 2 operational carrier strike groups for the Eastern and Western Command, while the third carrier undergoes refit and maintenance work. The construction of the third carrier will cost around $4 billion including the fleet of carrier-borne fighters, while platforms like AWACS and multi-role helicopters will cost another $7 billion, but this cost will be divided over a period of 8 years.